a cleanser or having the perfect cleansing routine is like the most important or one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Ooh, it is cold. It's just November. I don't understand. Well, I suppose Scotland. Anyway, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Missy for Mrs. HQ. Okay, real quick guys, I am running errands today and this is not the vlog I intended to upload today, but I thought about this. I was like, oh, I have a particular vlog I need to upload on Saturday and I just feel that it will be right for me to upload this one first before that one, so that, I don't know, well, I just feel like I should do this. So I am editing, recording and uploading today, all before 4 o'clock. So let's get started because this girl's on the clock. Anyways, today we are going to be talking about how to select the right cleanser for your skin type. Now, before we even talk about that, let's even just talk about the importance of a cleanser. A cleanser or having the perfect cleansing routine is like the most important or one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. Like, it lays the foundation for a debt-free skin, it lays the foundation for a glowing skin, it lays the foundation for a clear skin. Now, when you cleanse your skin properly, it means that you're not clogging up your pores, you're opening up your pores, and you're washing your face from the dirt and the grime and the environmental pollution from the day, basically. And that way your treatments can then penetrate into your skin and begin to work. Because if you keep using treatments and then your pores are clogged, how are they going to work? Like, you're just wasting your money, right? Okay. And yeah, just imagine you putting your makeup on a face that is not cleansed. Yeah, man. Just imagine that. I don't even want to imagine that. I don't know personally, if I make up say in the middle of the day and I don't wash my face, I don't know, it just feels, I don't know, my face just does not feel right. So yeah, cleansing your face is the most important, like one of the most important steps. We have 3 major skin types. Well, some people might want to argue that there are more, but I would say there are 3 major. Major is the key word here. Now we have the dry skin, the combination skin, and the oily skin. Now, how do you select your cleansers for these 3 skin types? Okay, let us start. I don't know, can you tell? I don't know, I think like every vlog I have uploaded this past 3 weeks, I always say, can you tell I'm coming up with a cold? Like, it is freezing and I have a really bad cold. It's been going on for 2 weeks now and I really don't want to take any drugs. Like, I want to try it like the holistic way. I've never done that. So if you guys know what I can use, please let me know. I digress. Let's go back to the point. I'm gonna start with the dry skin. When your skin is dry, it means that your skin is dry. I wrote about having a skincare routine and it's on my blog, and I would leave the link down below where I kind of differentiated between the dry, oily and combination skin. Now if your skin is dry, you need to use cleansers that are cream based. You need to avoid foamy cleansers. These actually strip your face off of the moisture and you have little moisture anyway. That's why your skin is dry. So use cleansers that are cream based on your skin to cleanse your skin. That way they cleanse your skin without stripping your skin off of the moisture that it has, and then you can then use your treatments to be able to give yourself more moisture. Now if you've got dry skin, it's not a cleanser, but I have to add that you should be using hyaluronic acid. Try it, it's amazing. It is amazing. Anyways, so I have some recommendations for cleansers that you could use. So you could use the Kiehl's Ultra Kiehl's, Kiehls. It's a funny word. You could use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser, and you could also use Tata Harper. Oh, Tata Harper, I love Tata Harper. And La Roche-Posay's Lipid Replenishing Cream Cleanser. These 3 cleansers you can use. However, this is not an exhaustive list. Like, if you have one that you're using for your routine already, well, keep at it, and if it works for you, all I'm saying is that use cleansers that are cream based for your dry skin. Now we have the combination skin. I belong to this category, and as far as I'm concerned, it's the most confused skin type ever, because you have dry skin and you have oily skin. Well, combination. So if you have combination skin, you're being careful not to use products that will strip away all of the moisture, because you're complaining that you have dry parts, and you're not going to use products that would basically contribute to an oily skin type, because you have typically the oily T-zones, and then your pores are open here. So you actually want to use products that would help your pores, would help large pores. So for the combination skin, all I'm trying to say is that you need to be able to gain a balance for your dry and oily skin type, the combination, and you need to choose cleansers that are water soluble. Now there are some recommendations that I would recommend. You can use the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. You can also use Tata Harper. Oh good, Tata Harper. That product is amazing. I think it's because it's got salicylic acid in it. I don't know why, but it's amazing, and everyone keeps talking about it. It's so good. It's about £30 or £31. I can't remember, but it is so good. And you know, when you buy products with that amount, you don't need a lot, so it tends to last for a very long time. Another cleanser that I would recommend for the combination skin type is Oscar Renaissance Cleansing Gel. Like, that product is good. You can get that for people that live in the UK, you can get it from Beauty Bay, and you can get it from Coles Beauty. At the moment though, it's sold out on Beauty Bay, so I don't know, you just have to wait or join the wait list. It's Black Friday and it's almost time for Christmas, so it's gonna be hard to find this product. I don't know why everybody's staying. Anyway, we're moving on to oily skin type. This is a very high maintenance skin type. Oh my god, like, I feel for my oily skin people. Like, it's because it's the oily skin that you're acne prone, you're blemish prone, and then there are actually some products that you need to use. Sometimes you need to wash your face like 3 times a day, because in the middle of the day your face is all oily and shiny, so you need to like reuse your moisturizer on your face, so you need to like wash your face. So this means that in the middle of work you need to, you know, take a walk and then go treat your face, or you need to always have your blotting paper around. It's quite high maintenance. And when you have oily skin, it just means that you have excess oil. Your skin produces excess sebum. Simple as short. It doesn't mean that there's anything wrong as far as I'm concerned. It's just oily skin. It's a skin type. If you've got oily skin, you need to use plenty of lukewarm water when you're washing your face, and you also need to use oil-free foaming cleansers. That way you open up your pores, and then you can be able to use the products in, and then get it in, and then use it to cleanse your face properly. Now, the 3 products I would recommend is the Origins Zero Oil Deep Pore Cleanser. I have used Origins before and it is amazing. I particularly love their mask. It's such a good brand, like, it's quite good. My only problem with Origins is that every time I order from them, they take their time to bring it to me. That's my problem, but I might be petty, so don't mind me. You can also use the No. 4 Clinique Facial Cleanser. That's the step 1. So No. 4 is for oily skin. I've used Clinique before and it's good. Some people are just loyalists to Clinique. I'm speaking to my mom now. They are loyalists to Clinique, and that's because Clinique is quite good. So you can use that cleanser, or you can buy the step 1 to 3 for Clinique. It's amazing. You use the Tata Harper Clarifying Cleanser. I think that's the one that's got the salicylic acid in it. Yeah. And that's the one that you use for oily skin. It is amazing. Now, this last product I'm going to recommend is, it belongs to the Zellins brand. Zellins is quite a high, it's a luxury skincare brand, but they are good. They are really good. I have the SPF and I use it quite a lot. Oh, can someone tell this one to be good to me? You think it's not cold, it is bloody freezing outside. Oh yeah, as I was saying, my camera died. The sun just started shining all of a sudden, so I need to end this vlog like right now. The cleanser I'm talking about is the Zellins Detox Foaming Cleanser. Get your hands on them. They are pretty good. If you can afford to buy them, then get your hands on them. Anyways guys, this is the end of this vlog today. I hope by now, if you did know, or if you never had an idea, which I highly doubt, you know that using cleansers is very important. Having a cleansing routine is very important for your skincare routine. I'm using the double cleanse method, and I have a video all about double cleansing. You can watch it. I'll leave the link up and down. Anyways, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You've heard me ramble and just talk and then rush through this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Missy from Mrs. HQ. And yeah, don't forget to hit the notification button by the side of the subscribe button. And like this video as well. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.